What's going on, guys? Leland here, bringing you a live TA of some cryptocurrencies. How you guys doing? Welcome back. What's going on? Got quite a few people in here already. What's going on? We got Depreme, Terpenderp, hello. What's going on? Black Ape, Gringo, hello. How are you? Got Michael, Ray Williams, Portal Mind, what's up? Do the Don, hello. Seeing some new faces in here, or I guess some new names. I don't really see your face, right? Got Paul, what's up, Paul? Please, Bitcoin break out to the upside of triangle. Yeah, you're looking at what I'm saying right here, huh? Kind of exciting. We don't know. We don't really know where this triangle for Bitcoin is going to be heading. Keep in mind, okay, I still think Bitcoin has a good possibility of breaking down to $22,000 to $24,000. Been saying that for a while. Okay, you guys know that. Been saying that for a while. We're on a 4-hour chart. We're looking at some consolidation right here. Looks pretty good. We're approaching the apex. It does look like we're going to be getting a breakout, but I think this is going to be a part of a much bigger pattern formation than what we are seeing right now for Bitcoin. Okay, so here is, get my lines messed up. Here's the pattern that we're currently in right now. We're approaching the apex on the Bitcoin chart, somewhere around there. I'm thinking by maybe tomorrow, the next day, or possibly the next day after that, we are going to be having a breakout. So far, so good, looking pretty good, being that we are, we're closer up to the resistance than we are down towards the support. And typically when you're approaching an apex, that's what you want to see. I want to see Bitcoin. You can see it's using the 21 EMA as support. You guys know this, very clear, cut and dry. Support, you get above it, resistance, flipping up into support, and then resistance. Oh, I forgot to, Ashton, yes, hey, dude, I totally forgot to mention that. Ashton, thank you for the €10, bro. Really appreciate that. You want to take a look at Alpha Wolf Finance, AWF. Yes, we will take a look at it. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for contributing to the channel. He also says, hey, dude, and a revisit to Hex, possibly. Was intrigued by your last TA. Yeah, dude, I think, you know what, we can take a look. We'll take like a very short look at Hex. I can do that for you, buddy. So thank you. Anyways, so here's a few things, okay? I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin just a little bit here, and then we're gonna be moving on to the request. But here's some important stuff, okay? And I've been waiting for some data, okay? I don't want to make a video every single day explaining to you guys every little tiny move that Bitcoin's gonna be doing, because it's minute. It doesn't really matter. I'm waiting for the data to ensue so I can see what's going to be happening. So that way I can bring you guys, some fresh content, and I'm not over here saying the same things over and over. I'm not going to lie. I watch YouTube. That's why I'm a YouTuber. And I see a lot of the same stuff. A lot of these channels are doing the same things. And I'm like, okay, I get it. They want to make money. They want to make ad revenue. Cool. Good for you. That's awesome. That's not why I'm here. Like, let's be honest. I'm not here to make money. It's nice, it's good, but it's not my main source of money. So my job is to bring you quality content. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm not going to give you fake news or anything. You're going to get the facts. That's it. If you don't like it, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just not going to sugarcoat anything for you. If it looks good, it looks good. If it looks bad, it looks bad. It sucks. And and if that turns out to,
so you get nothing, you lose. Good day, sir.
That's the way it is. And that's cut and dry, cold, calculated, robotic decisions that we are making, looking at the charts flat out. Okay, let me show you what's going on with Bitcoin right now. I'm feeling better about it. I'm going to give Bitcoin probably a 30% chance that we could still probably go down to $22,000 to $24,000. Now, I know that's a lot. And some people might be like, that's actually pretty good. 30% is not, that big. I'm giving us about a 70% chance that I think we're going to be getting a breakout to the upside. And let me show you why I think that. Okay, there's like 4 things. We're going to go over to the weekly chart right now, and I want to show you what we've been looking like for the past weeks, what's been happening, where are we at within the 21 EMA. You can clearly see right now on a weekly chart, we're below the 21 EMA. And let me get rid of this this formation that we have down here. That way it looks a little bit more clear for you. So we went down and we retested that $30,000 area. We could previously see on the weekly chart that that was huge support for us. Pretty big resistance in the past over here if we were going to go down to like a 4-hour or a daily chart. So we came up, we tested it, we came back over. We're retesting it again right now. Pretty big sell-off that we had. Pretty normal within a bull market. I don't see anything unusual over here. 53% drop, a little more than we were anticipating. I know. Am I bearish in that state? Not even close. Not even close. Are we in a bear market? Not even close, guys. And I know there's a lot of fear within the markets and people are saying it's over. Bitcoin's going down. We're going to zero. And I just look at those people and I'm like, get real. Okay. Let me show you something on the weekly chart with Bitcoin. This is amazing. Okay. I think this is quite amazing. On the setup for our MACD, we are showing clear hidden bullish divergence. This is a leading indicator letting us know we are going to be going much higher. The reason why we see that, we see negative momentum going to the downside as price action is moving up on the weekly. On the weekly, do you hear what I'm saying, guys? That is a massive indicator letting us know that Bitcoin is not done. This is not the end. Not only that, okay? Not only that, but if we take a look at the Stochastic Rsi, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to shorten the MACD over here, and we're gonna broaden the RSI so you can see exactly what's going on over here. Okay, look at these dips that we've had, and look where we've been on the Stochastic RSI in the past. Okay, below the 20 right here. Okay, that was about a $3,200 Bitcoin. We were below the 20 on the Stochastic RSI, and we started moving up. Every time we've gone below the 20 on the Stochastic RSI, we have gone up. Huge run up over here. You guys remember summer of 2019 where we had a little bit of a bull market right there, and then we consolidated for a little bit. Okay, same thing over here. Below the 20 right here. That was the liquidity crisis back in March of 2020. You guys know what happens back there below the 20. What happened after that? Huge markup in price. And I mean, we can measure these too. I have no problem with measuring these. Okay, so we take it from the bottom to the top, 320% when we were below that Stochastic RSI. Cool, that's pretty good. What about down here? From here to the top, that was about right there. We're looking at about 156%. Guys, remember, this is Bitcoin we're talking about. These aren't alts. This is much higher market cap coin that we're talking about here, okay? Here's another example right over here. Boom, below the 20. Getting the cross above the 20 on the Stochastic RSI is very bullish. It's a leading indicator letting us know that we're going to be moving much more to the upside. What happened right there? Well, we went all the way up to $65,000. That was a 529% gain. Okay. Huge, massively huge. Great. That's awesome. Where are we at right now? What's going on? Well, first of all, Stochastic RSI below the 20 over here. I don't know if you see that. God, you can't. Hold on. That's better. Right here. Boom. Cross below the 20. We're getting a bullish cross right there on the Stochastic RSI, where that momentum is going to be shifting up. We've had a huge momentum that has shifted down. We see that momentum that has gone down over here. We've consolidated. We're going to be consolidating. And now it is time for a move to the upside. This has happened previously before, guys. This is what we've seen. And if we go back to the 2010, I wish. If we go back to the 2017 bull run, these corrections were very normal, where we just keep crashing, boom, straight up, keep crashing and boom, straight up. But look what happened in the past over here. Okay, so here is below the 20 on the Stochastic RSI, below, kind of below right there, below right here. But every time we went below the 20 on the Stochastic RSI, the next move to the upside was hundreds and hundreds of percents to the upside, right there, right there, right there. So this is just our first dip. For people to be coming at me and saying, Leland, we're in a bear market, we're going to be going down. I laugh because that's a joke. That's strictly, people want you to think that. I'm sure you see all of the social media people, all the influencers on TikTok, YouTube, and to be quite honest, guys, I have my conspiracies. I believe these people are being paid to tell people we're in a bear market, we're going to be going down. And I want to show you something kind of interesting. I want to pull up one other thing that might make you feel a little bit better about what's going on within the market right now. Give me 1 second. We're just going to be, let's do the BRB one. Okay, we got a lot of messages. We're going to be coming in here. We're going to be looking at it. Ashton, I did not forget about you. We are still going to be taking a look at AWF. What was that? What was that called? I actually have never seen that coin. Alpha Wolf Finance. We're going to be taking a look at that. Thank you for your donation. Guys, if you want to see a TA, if you want your cryptocurrency to be looked at, it's a $10 minimum donation. You can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. You can use that down below. It's in the little chat box, a little dollar symbol, or you can use my OneUpCoin link. It's in the description if you want to donate in cryptocurrency. I would much rather you guys donate in crypto because YouTube takes 30% of the US dollars that get, donated through the super chat. So I'm totally down for crypto. I keep 100%. That's probably the best way. Any way works for me, doesn't matter. Okay. We're this is our look into Bitcoin chart right here. So right now you can see we're gonna go all the way down to, this is where we're at. Address balance chart. Okay, so here we go. Less than one Bitcoin. This is a chart for how many people have less than one Bitcoin in their wallet. You can see it has just obviously been going up since, what we have over here, 2012. But I mean, it's just been on a continuous way all the way up. But you can kind of see some of this fear that we had, and it's starting to drop off a little bit over here. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Let's see. Let's go back. Now, this is going to be Bitcoin wallet size under 10 Bitcoin. That's quite a bit. That's a lot of money, guys. Even right now, that's still over $300,000. You can see that is starting to drop off pretty dramatically, right? We're just going to say these are retailers, okay? These are people who have, that not so much money. I know that's a lot of money, to a lot of people, and that is a lot of money. Over $300,000, quite a bit of money, okay? But that's still considered retail, okay? Now, here we go. Bitcoin wallet size less than 100 Bitcoin, okay? Let's check this out. Interesting. Not much of a drop off. Pretty consistent, pretty steady throughout here, right? Smart money, $100,000 Bitcoin less. So they're not really selling Bitcoin. Their wallets are staying there. They're pretty, and they're in cold storage. They're not really moving anywhere. Interesting, right? You're seeing retail, and then you're starting to see a little bit more of the smart money, maybe a little bit of whales within this. I mean, I would definitely calculate that. That's millions of dollars. If you have millions of dollars in Bitcoin, you're probably a whale. Okay, here's another one. Okay, this is Bitcoin wallet sizes less than 1,000 Bitcoin. If you're within this category, you are definitely a whale. You're definitely an investor. You're an institution within this category. This is tens of millions, if not maybe $100 million. I can't do the math off the top of my head. But look at this, guys. This is what really caught my interest over here. So you have the smart money who was coming in, but look at the rate at which the wallet size grew, okay? Exponentially much more than what we were seeing with the smaller wallet size. You can see that we were clearly going down. The wallet sizes were slowly trickling up as retail sellers were, getting out. We do see a dip within the wallet sizes under 1,000 Bitcoin, but there's a much sharper increase with wallet sizes with that much, and that's just clearly showing you the institutional buying that has happened. Why are we seeing such a huge dip? Well, this smart money is swing trading Bitcoin. That's why it's so volatile right now. There's a lot of manipulation going on within the market, but look at this, the huge sharp increase. Can you guys see that right here? Boom, huge sharp increase, and this huge sharp increase down. My theory is over here, this is where the accumulation is going to be happening within the institutional investors. There's a lot of institutional money that's going to be coming in. I used the analogy of the train the other day of people coming back into Bitcoin or they were trying to, run towards the train, get on the back of the train, and the trail got derailed for a little bit. And all this other money was able to run, catch up to the back of the train. And now they're on. And now the train is starting to slowly chug along. We're probably going about 5 miles an hour. We got repaired a little bit. We're back on the track, and now we need to build up that steam. There's a lot of money behind us right now. We need to build up that momentum to get us back going so we can, start moving a lot faster. Okay, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I thought seen Michael Jonathan, thank you for the $10. I really appreciate that. Jonathan says he wants to take a look at storage. Please, I got in at 93 cents. Okay, I'm going to make a note of that for you, Michael. Thank you for the donation. I really appreciate that, buddy. We are going to be taking a look at storage for you and your position. We're going to have a position, 93 cents, and we're going to be talking about entry points for you, possibly exit points for you as well, where you want to get in, where you want to stay out. Where are you going to set up your trading bots? Where are they going to be buying? We're going to talk about all that, dude. We're going to make you some money. Thank you for your donation. Okay, so back to the Bitcoin chart over here. So we are not in a bear market. Straight up, we are not in a bear market. We are in a continued bull market right now that is very apparent, very clear. The leading indicators that I'm seeing right here, the Stochastic Rsi showing reputative, continuous history that has shown us when we are below the 20 on the Stochastic Rsi, we're getting a pump up. Okay, you guys know that. Cool, awesome, sweet. I have confidence in Bitcoin. I'm not worried about Bitcoin. Could we drop down to $24,000? Yeah. Are you going to be buying some Bitcoin? Yes, you are. You're going to be buying Bitcoin at that level because you will never, ever be able to get Bitcoin at those levels ever again. Whether that's in an altcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, guys, that is where you're going to be buying. If you're not buying right now, I don't know what you're doing, okay? I'm not saying put 100% of your reserves in here, but what I am saying is you need to be putting at least a portion of your reserves into crypto right now if you hadn't bought already. You can see Ethereum right now. Ethereum has been bouncing off this 21 EMA beautifully all the way up through the bull market. Boom, 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 boom. We got this bounce right here. This is probably the most impressive bounce that I've seen within a chart, and it looks much better. We know Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin in the future. No discrepancies there whatsoever. The flippening, okay? Is Ethereum going to be flipping Bitcoin's market cap in the future? Yes, 100%. I can strongly and I can confidently tell you Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin in the future. I have a strong confidence within Ethereum because of the platform, because of the ecosystem and what it can deliver to companies. This is where most institutional buying, yes, you're going to see, institutional investing happen within Bitcoin, but Ethereum, guys, okay, this is an opinion, but it's also fact at the same time. I'm not just making this stuff up. Guys, mark my words, record this, watch it happen, guys. I'm telling you, I am heavily invested in Ethereum. Most of my bag, I'm going to say about 75% of my bag is within Ethereum. I don't have any biases towards Ethereum. This is just cut and dry, simple technicals within Ethereum right now. So Ethereum looking fantastic right now. Beautiful. I don't know what else to say about it. Although Bitcoin is going to be controlling the price of Ethereum, what Ethereum is going to be doing. So it really depends on what's going to be happening over there. If Bitcoin drops to $24,000, we probably will be going below that 21 EMA. Am I worried at that point? No, not at all. None whatsoever. You can see that we've took this correction in the past, pretty good over here. You can see right back here. How big of a drop was that? Okay, all the way up here. Ethereum took like a 67% dump over here as it consolidated, went to the side. Well, what did it do? Well, it kind of looks like an ascending triangle to me, which is a very bullish pattern. You can see right there, broke out at the apex, and then boom, came back for the retest, and it took off. So is this normal for Ethereum? Yeah, pretty normal. We can clearly see that's what we did in the past. Have we had this parabolicness yet? No. Absolutely not. This is why it's not the top of the of the bull market. We haven't even had that parabolicness. And if I show you the logarithmic growth curves within Bitcoin, we are just above that median, which if you've watched my videos before, I've shown you on the logarithmic growth curves that once we get past that median, we come back and we reset and we touch and we get that confirmation after that super cycle, baby. I want to show you that right now, but we're already about 30 minutes into this stream and we have some coins. So we're going to come back to this later. Maybe if it slows down a little bit, remind me to show you the parabolicness of what happens when you pass the median on the logarithmic growth curves. I'll show you that chart. It's pretty amazing. Anyways, let's get moving on, guys. We have to go take a look at, was it Alpha Wolf Finance? Okay. I've never charted this before. Let's see. Okay. I don't have this chart. Who did this? Ashton. Hey, buddy, if you're still watching, I don't have a chart for you on this one, guy. I only have the one wrapped in Ether. I guarantee that's not the one you're going to want to look at. This probably is a very new coin. Go ahead and pick another coin. I'm going to be looking for your comments down below. So let me know what else you want to take a look at. Okay, I just don't have it. TradingView doesn't have it. If there's no data on it, I just really don't know what else to do for you. So, but let me check Alpha. What was it? Alpha Wolf. Let me see. Alpha Wolf token wrapped in Ether. Yeah, they're just wrapped in Ether, man. I got nothing for you over here. So please pick another coin and then we will do it. I appreciate you. For the meantime, let's go take a look. Yeah, I appreciate it, Diva Don. Yeah, you respect my optimism. Optimism, but it's not. Yes, you can't be pessimistic within the situation when you're taking a look at the data within the charts. Okay, I'm not over here to deliver you just crap. Okay, I'm telling you what's happening within the charts. Ignore the news. Forget the news. Forget social media. Okay, it's all about the TA. That's why it's my slogan. It literally is all about the TA. And it looks beautiful right now. I don't care what people are talking about. I do not care. That's not going to influence my decisions nor make me emotional in any way. So Ashton said Hex 2. That's right. Okay. We'll just go ahead and do. Gotcha. Okay, Ashton, no problem, dude. Let's go ahead and do Hex. Let's see. I know we have Hex in here. Actually, I've charted it before. Where's my Hex thing? Let me see. We got USD. You want to swap Tether? Okay, that's fine. Let's take a look at the USD and the Tether one. They're going to be pretty similar. Let's see what the charts look like. Okay, fairly new, not too bad. We got about May, so about a year's worth of data. Cool on that one. Yuck, what the heck is that? Okay, that does not, I don't like that whatsoever. Let's make sure that we're looking at the right one. I'm pretty sure I have Hex in here from a while ago that I was looking at. Is this the right one? We got to make sure. We got to make sure that this is going to be the right chart. I don't want to be doing a TA on a chart and then we're like, oh, that's not even close to the chart that we wanted to take a look at. Is this Hex? Is that the right one? Hold on. Simple research real quick. Hex coin token. What is it? Let's see. Hex coin runs on Ethereum network. Awesome. Hex is designed to be a story value to replace the certified to replace CDs in a blockchain. Holy crap, I never knew that about Hex. There's so many projects, so many things to learn about within crypto. It's pretty crazy. Let's see. I don't think I'll be quicker earlier, but I may flip. No, you're absolutely right. It's not going to happen right away. Right? It's going to take a minute. Definitely going to take a minute, especially because of what we have going on next month. Well, technically July, right? We have EIP 1559 that's going to be getting released, a burn feature that was going to be added on the Ethereum network, guys. That is going to drive up the price definitely, and you're going to start seeing that within the next few weeks, I feel like, with Ethereum, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of deal. Okay, I'm having issues pulling up Hex here. We will find it. Let's look over here. Sorry, I haven't been able to get to your comments, guys. Yep, DeFi is going to take off. DeFi is the future of crypto. Definitely. Let's just make sure. Hey, Michael, is this the chart that you look at? If not, let me know what exchange you're on. This is all I can see right here. Has anybody heard of Rarible token? God, there's so many tokens out there. It's insane. Okay, here's Hex. I think this is what we're going to be looking at. What's going on? What are we doing? Okay, pretty big, pretty new. You know, within a year or so. I want to go over to a daily. A week is just a little too much. Very sparsely traded over here. You can see a lot of choppiness within the price action as it became more and more popular, especially after this pump right here. You can see it started to fill in those gaps a lot better. Heavily traded, looking pretty good. You know what I don't like about Hex right now, cold, simple, hard facts, guys, is this looks like a double top to me. Not too good. I don't like that. There's definitely some resistance within this area over here that is preventing you from getting up above. Now, you could be doing one of two things. You could be developing some kind of ascending triangle, which is a very bullish pattern, which we're going to go take a look at the indicators to see if we can have any sort of indication letting us know that that is going to be happening. So you might be doing something kind of like maybe that right there. And I would feel pretty comfortable. I'm going to put it at that line, and I just want to extend this out. Yes, absolutely, 100%. that might be an area of support for you within Hex. You can clearly see that was support, 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 and then we dropped back down below, and then that was resistance over here. Bit of a fake out. We came back down, touch a 21 EMA on the daily, jumping right back above, coming back down and testing it for support right there. Beautiful. You hit a resistance, came back down, support, resistance, support, putting you in this ascending triangle kind of formation, right? Looking pretty good, not too bad. Let's take a look, and beautiful. Beautiful positive momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving to the upside. Is a very good indicator to let you know that price action is going to be moving up. That's huge, guys. That's huge right there. This, and it hasn't even really played out. No, it has not even played out, and this is because of Bitcoin. You can see Hex was trying to, and let me just make sure. Let me see if Michael had, I don't see anything from Michael, so I'm going to assume this was what we're doing. Okay. So you can see that X was doing really good. We came up, we hit the bottom, hit the support. We were trying to break back through, but what happened right here? Bitcoin dropped, and that's why we're taking a little bit of a dip. But you can see that pressure, we're buying higher lows right there. It's exactly what you want to see within the market, being that we have that hidden bullish divergence. You can see that we were below the 21 EMA. I'm sorry. We were below the 20 on the Stochastic Rsi over here. We had our cross. We started moving to the upside. It derailed Hex from doing what it was going to be doing originally, but is it going to be stopping it? No, it's just going to delay it. Just a little bit of a delay. This is looking pretty good to me. I don't see any bearishness really. Hey, Tommy, what's up, dude? Good to see you in here. Welcome, dude. Good to see you back. Let's see, what's up? Can we take a look at XRP? Tommy, yes, read the description. Hey, you know the rules, man. Add another 5 in there and we can take a look at XRP. I'm actually really excited here, wanting to look at XRP. So thank you for that 5. Add the other 5, Tommy, and boom, you got it. We will be taking a look at it. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of bearishness within Hex right now. If anything, it's looking very strong, very, I want to see what's going to be happening by the 5th of June. So we got about maybe almost a week, not too much, maybe 5 more days. So we're probably looking somewhere anyway by Friday or Saturday. I want to see what Hex is going to be doing. Thank you, Tommy, for that extra 5, bro. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. XRP adding into the list right now. I want to see what Hex is going to be doing at this level. I'm going to set an alert. I want to see Hex try to come back and hit that 6-cent area. That's going to give me kind of a little bit of confirmation that we are going to be running up into that resistance over here as we continue to develop this beautiful ascending triangle. Very bearish pattern. More than likely, you are going to be getting a breakout out of here. What I'm thinking is you're going to be coming up, breaking out about 6.5 cents. That's going to be the area. You need to come up, break that, come back for the confirmation, and get liftoff. When you get that confirmation right there, that is going to be the buy signal. Would I buy right now? No. Never trade within a pattern, guys. Remember that. When you're in a pattern, you don't know where it's going to go. Increase your odds of winning by waiting for that confirmation and getting that bounce. Could you possibly get more? Yeah, let's take a look at it. How much more? How much more could you possibly, let's say you bought some right now, okay? Let's say you bought some Hex right now and you got the breakout and you got the confirmation. Well, that's about a 32% gain. Remember, that's going to be coming back down, getting that retest on where we were or on that resistance right here before we get liftoff. Yeah, 32% is pretty good. But what if not? What if not? What if we get the breakdown? What if it starts going down? Well, you start increasing your risk at that point as you're not really sure exactly where we're going to be going. So hold off. I wouldn't buy this right now. I would definitely wait for the confirmation for when we break out. Another thing that I would be looking for is when that hidden bullish divergence plays out, then that's definitely when you're going to want to see that, position start taking place. So when we start curving out of this red on the histogram right here and we start going up into our green, you're probably already going to see price action approaching the 6.5 cent area as we continue to try to break out, come back to the retest, and take off. I wouldn't buy right now. Like I said, it's going to be a minute before we can get that confirmation. I think we're looking pretty good right here. Wow, that's a pretty messy chart. Let's get rid of everything. We could do a Fibonacci. This is on the daily. Let's just check it out. I just want to see what Hex looks like right now. You can see we have very strong support at the 382 right about there. Support right there as well. Beautiful. What a price that I really don't want to see Hex go below is going to be that 4.5 cent area. If you drop below 4.5 cents, then you're definitely going to be going down to 4 cents. Drop below 4 cents, you're probably going to see Bitcoin dropping below 30,000, probably going down to that $24,000 area as we are going to be going down to the 3 cent area. If you break below that, then I think we can totally say that the ascending, a lot of stuttering here, that the ascending triangle is not going to be playing out, and it does look like that double top is going to be playing out as you start falling down below. There's just a little bit of information there, so be watching for this level right here. Okay, if you start dropping below 4.5 cents and you come back, you get the retest, it's not going to be looking too good. You know, be careful what you're going to be looking at. What's up, Martin? Hey, thank you for the 100 in okay. I think that was from Norway. I think that was Norwegian. I'm pretty sure. Let me just make sure. I want to see if that was, yeah, it was Norwegian. Hey, thank you so much. What coin did you want to take a look at, Martin? Really appreciate your donation. Can we do bonfire? Yes, absolutely. Adding it to the list right now. Definitely. So thank you so much. Let me see. We got Alex in here. He's saying audio is a great buy, solid project, long-term hold for big gains. I definitely want to check that out if that's true. Bruh. That'd be amazing. Okay. I don't see anything bearish about this right now, other than I really do want to see us hold that support at that 38200 Fibonacci retracement. Let's get back and let's see what happens. Now, we are in a daily right now. We have an hour and 30 minutes before we close the daily, before we close the monthly. That's right. We got a monthly candle close happening. What is that going to be looking like for Bitcoin? Where is that going to be putting the prices in? Well, you can see right here. 1.5 hours until we close this candle right here on Hex. That's a pretty big candle. According to Japanese candlestick patterns, this is bullish. Okay, this is very bullish, as I was kind of telling you that before. So looking pretty good. Be watching out for those levels. An area that you really want to get back above is going to be that 5.3. Okay, over 5 cents, 5.5 cents is going to be golden. It's exactly what you want to see. As we start coming up, the real test is going to try to break above 6.5, 6, 7 cents on Hex. If you can do that, I really do think that your pattern's going to play out and you're going to be having a move to the upside. What is that going to look like? Okay, we have our levels, we have our supports, we went over that. You guys know the support levels, the concerns where we have at 4.5 cents and where we need to get above. Where are we going to go? Okay, let's calculate our risk here. What is going to be the breakout target for this? Well, if it indeed is a ascending triangle, I think you might be having a breakout target somewhere, and let's just see here. You might be doing, that's a wick right there, so I think I'm actually even going to take it. We had a really good support level. Where was that? That was about right about, where was that? Right there. And I want to make sure we get this pinpoint accurate, guys. Pinpoint accurate. Okay, it's right there. Right there. Okay, what is that going to look like? Where do I want to take it? There's two areas where you can take it from. You could take it from right here, or you could take it from down here. I want to be conservative, and I'm going to take it from right there. That's going to be a measured move. We take it to the breakout. It doesn't matter where the breakout happens, but that would be taking you to about almost a 10-cent Hex. We're going to go a little over 9 cents on Hex would be the breakout target, currently sitting at 5 cents right now. So that could be 100% gain for you. But like I said, you have to watch for the breakout, come back over here, get that retest before we get the resumption off. If you can take a position somewhere where we get that retest, right? Where we get this retest right here, that's your buy right there. Let's say you bought it at, 6, 8, maybe 7. Well, you're still going to be looking pretty good. I would almost take it right at 7 cents. If we can get above 7 cents on Hex, that's where I would take my position. That's 31% all day. Is that going to stop there? No, probably not. That's just the initial breakout target before we have a consolidation and we start moving further to the upside. Looking good on Hex. That's it. That's all I got for you. Okay, moving on. We're going to be moving on over to David Collins. Welcome, dude. Thank you for the $10 donation. Appreciate that. You want to take a look at RARI. Adding it to the list right now. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. Let's go take a look at storage. One of my favorite coins. I love looking at storage. We have the one calculated by Binance, and let's go take a look. If you guys want to learn how to trade like me, go buy my book. This is my book right here sitting on my shelf. Link is in the description down below. You can get it on Amazon, Target, Walmart, Barnes & Nobles. I am global, baby. If you want to learn how to trade like me and you want to make money, go buy my book. It's $12.95. It'll be the best investment you will ever make. You'll make so much more money. Read the book, watch my live streams, watch my videos, stay within this community, join the Discord, join the Telegram down below, be in this community, and I promise we are both going to make money. I can't tell you how many messages I get from people saying, Leland, thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate you. You know, even if you don't contribute anything, that's fine. That's fine. You don't have to contribute anything. If you want to sit in here, other people make donations, everybody gets to see those TAs and you're getting those trades set up. So like I said, go by the book. I really appreciate you guys for contributing to the live stream and the channel. Okay, looking at storage right now. Okay, this is old data, but we do have a very valid trend line that was up here. Right there. Wow. Okay, looks like we did get a bit of a breakout. We're have a trend line within a, let's see here, to about right about there. So not looking too bad. We're approaching the apex. Actually, we're past the apex and we're hanging up towards the, what's nice about this is that you are above this trend line, this longer trend line. You even came back for that test while being above the 21 EMA, and you're making you're making your way back up. I'm going to be taking an educated guess here that you are going to be getting the breakout. Very beautiful. Well, what kind of breakout target are we going to be looking for? This is very apparent. This is a very clear message to me that we're going to be getting a breakout over here really soon. That's going to be putting you back above the 20 or the 200 moving average. Beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see as we run into resistance over at the 2. Son of a gun. I clicked on the wrong thing. Going back down. Go back down to storage, bro. Okay. Putting you at about a $2 storage. $2 is definitely going to be a huge resistance for storage. Let's see. Wow, look how beautiful that plays out. Okay, here's the breakout target. The charts don't lie. This is exactly, let me just do that a little bit better. There we go. You can clearly see the resistance, the support. You know, when we got back above it, boom, turned it into support. You broke below it. Look at all this resistance right here. All of that resistance. Very, very valid trend line that we have. Horizontal trend lines are going to be the most powerful trend lines that you're going to be having within charts. Resistance right here. That breakout target's going to be taking you up to that $2, 205 area. If you get the breakout, you have to get the confirmation, and then you'll be taking off over to the $2 area. That's about 100% gains that we can be making over here, guys. That's no joke. Double your money. It's going to be looking pretty good. So far, so good. Looking pretty good. What are we doing on the daily? I want to see what's happening on storage. Beautiful. Look at this. I love this. Negative momentum moving to the upside. You just got a bullish cross right there as you broke out of that trend line. Remember that trend line, this long trend line back here that we were taking a look at. You got above it, came back for the retest, and you're approaching, trying to break out of this larger asymmetrical triangle that a lot of things are in right now. A lot of things are in asymmetrical triangles. We're waiting for the breakout. It's just a matter of time. And you can see your momentum wanting to move right back up on the Stochastic Rsi, getting your cross right there, wanting to move back up. But what's more impressive and what's more beautiful is this accumulation phase may probably be over for storage right now, because you came down and you touched the 30 on the RSI, not once, but twice, guys. You went back down, you touched it, you said, I'm oversold. I can't go down any lower. Time to buy. This is where people are going to be buying. This is the area to buy. This is looking really good. Storage is looking quite amazing. And I know a lot of people are probably feeling like, oh, there's so much fear in the markets. There's so much FUD. There's so much bad stuff that people are talking about. Like, how I'll buy, but it's got to go lower, right? You're at these levels, guys. You're probably not going to be able to get these coins at these levels ever again. Personally, but like I said, that really depends whether Bitcoin goes to $22,000 to $24,000, or if we just call it over and we're oversold and we just start moving to the upside. That's very possible too. Like I said, I give it a 70% chance that we're going to start moving back to the upside. So, looking good. You know, I think storage is looking really good right now. Waiting for the breakout. Cool. That's what we're looking for. Now, I'm going to put back the $2 area, and the 204 was the breakout target that we were going to be looking for. What are we doing right now? Hey, Martin, thank you for the extra 50 Norwegian, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. She says, never mind bonfire. I want to know what's up with Venus. Okay. Yeah. You want to change it? Definitely. You didn't have to donate that extra $5, dude, but I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I will switch it over to Venus. VXS. Okay. Long term on storage. Okay, guys, look, this is ultra bullish. Okay. very ultra bullish. We have this very big cut pattern, very big cut pattern that we have going on over here. What we could do with storage, and if you're a long-term holder, you're gonna love this. You're gonna absolutely love this. You're gonna eat this up. Okay, take a Fibonacci retracement, swing high down to the swing low. Well, where did we get that bounce? Where did we have that bounce off that resistance that was so hard for us to break through in the past? Well, if we go back over here to August of 2020, you can clearly see storage had a really big issue with getting above that 236 on our Fibonacci retracement. Guys, the charts do not lie. You can see we also came back over here February, not too long ago, right? Just a few months ago, 2021. We tried to break through. We couldn't do it. Could not do it. What happened after that? We got rejected. We visited the 21 EMA. Beautiful. Nice bounce. Love it. Look at all that buying. Boom. Straight up. You went back up. You came all the way up and you broke all-time highs coming up over to about $3.90. Gorgeous. What happened? Huge sell-off. Why? Because of the huge markup that we had, guys, with this huge move. I mean, you don't just go up. How much? How much is this? And actually, I'm going to go down a little bit more so we can see, get an accurate reading. Accurate reading. You don't just go up 8,835% in 1 year without a pullback or without some kind of consolidation. That's exactly what you're getting over here. So how'd you bought in over here and you're up 8,000%? Well, you know, storage took a little bit of a dip, and at most the dip came down, wow, 82%. Pretty insane. What's the trend? Up. We're still in an uptrend. There's nothing to be worried about over here. Look at that. Still in an uptrend. No matter what fanning trend lines, whatever you want to do, you're still in an uptrend. Beautiful. You came back down, you tested right there, 236. Came back down, tested it, and you get the resumption off. Bullish. Absolutely bullish. Is it volatile? You bet your ass it is. It's super volatile. It's crazy. But when I look at this, I see opportunity.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This is gold. This is exactly what I want to be seeing. Would I be buying down here? Oh yeah, that's where I would be buying. Especially, like I said, if you go over to the daily and you pull up your indicators, come on, pull it up. And you touch the 30 down here on the RSI, guys, buy, buy, buy. That's a buy signal right there. Looking great. I don't see anything bearish about this whatsoever. Have we had a huge correction? Yeah. Am I scared about it? No, not even a little bit. Not even, I would buy more. That's straight up. So looking pretty good. Initially, what I want to see on the short terms, just so you guys can have a little bit of faith in seeing where we're going to be going. If we do get the breakout of that asymmetrical triangle that we were in, that I was showing you on the 4-hour chart, I do want to see storage get right back above the 382. Okay, not only will that be putting us above $1.33, right, getting back above that dollar area and showing that confirmation, but we'll also be getting back above that 21 EMA on the daily. Turn that into support. Don't be surprised if we get the breakout, we come back down and it touches right there. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I am going to be putting an alert over here on storage, as I'm going to be wanting to be looking for that $1.33, $1.35. I'm actually going to put it slightly above because we may wick. I'm going to put it at $1.40, $1.40-ish. I want to see that. I'm going to be waiting, save this chart, and we'll come back and we'll take a look at it and see what's going to be going on. There are your supports. There are your breakout targets. That's what we are going to be looking for. Let's come back in a little bit and see what's going to be happening with this. But I think that was the bottom for storage. I think that was the bottom right there. So we may, you might be doing something like this, where you're coming down, you hit your bottom, you come up and you test it, and you might move your way back up. This is how I see the market playing out within the next couple of months, maybe a few months. No joke, guys. These are the times to be buying crypto right now, for sure. Okay, moving on, going over to XRP. Let's go take a look at Ripple. Still in litigation right now with, or I guess it's still, under investigation with the SEC. Did that scare people? No, it did not. It absolutely did not. Let's see what's going on with Ripple. Wow. Okay, we got to go over to a weekly because Ripple is just huge. Huge trend line. This was the absolute bottom. I haven't looked at Ripple in quite some time, but when Ripple came down, we had that double bottom on the weekly over here. That was the time to be getting into Ripple. Straight up. There's no question about it. As we got below the 21 EMA, we got back above, came back down to revisit that 21 EMA, and we're starting to get that resumption back off. Now, notice how twice Ripple came over here, hit the 200 EMA and got rejected, but we're still in an upward trajectory. Ripple will be something someday, guys. I'm not a huge Ripple fan, but because it's very pump and dumpy. I'm sorry, we're looking at Ripple to Bitcoin right now. We need to look at Ripple to USD. Either way, it's a bit pump and dumpy to me compared to Bitcoin, but let's go over to the dollar one, because we need to, compare this to something that you guys know of. So looking good, nice upward trajectory. Man, I remember drawing this trend line a long time ago. This was even before we started doing YouTube stuff, because look how thin it is, right? I make them thicker so you guys can see them on screen. But that breakout, when we got that breakout in that retest right there, where was this? Dude, I had an opportunity to buy Ripple at 17 cents. I swear it was right here. And I was like, this is the time to buy. 100%. That is the time to buy. And guess what? I didn't listen to my own advice, because I only hold on to a few coins, only a few. And it was just too risky for me at that point. So, but it's definitely played out. Let's say I did buy a 17-cent Ripple. Oh my gosh. Well, I'd be up about 486%. Not bad. I got bigger returns on other things, so I'm not too disappointed. It's still pretty good. But Ripple looking pretty good right now, even with all the investigation stuff that's going on. When Ripple defeats that investigation and they resume and they start getting listed back on the exchanges, not only is that great for Ripple and you're going to see the price skyrocket like crazy, that's going to be good for cryptocurrencies. That's going to be like, hey, SEC, this is crypto. Don't mess with us. We're unregulated. We are decentralized. There's nothing you can do about it. So back off. That's the kind of message it's going to be sending. Currently on the daily right now, you are getting a double bottom at that 200 EMA. Beautiful chart pattern. W shape, W for win. That's what we do. That's all we do is we win. So it's where is it? Right there. Or in this case, if it wins that, that investigation, it's going to be like this. A lot. It's going to be going straight up. Sorry, I clicked that so fast. But anyways, let's take a look, and I want to see what's going on with the indicators right here. We have beautiful support at this area. As you can see, that was previously resistance back here. Pretty obvious. Resistance, flipped it into support right back here, getting the bounce. That was the buying area right there for Ripple. Why do I say that? Well, you came down and you touched, can't see it. Let's move it over. You came down and you touched the 30, just about, was that the 33 actually? Right here about the 33 on the RSI. You can see we made a slightly higher low on our RSI, looking really good. That was the area to buy. You can see we're about to get our bullish cross right here. Is it over? I think so. I think it's time to start moving up. That is if Bitcoin isn't going to be taking a giant dump on the rest of the altcoins. I really hope it doesn't happen. So let's wait. Let's see what happens. But the price I'm going to be expecting is going to be getting above that 21 EMA. Let's look for $1.10. Right now we're sitting at $1 right now. This is going to be resistance for us. As you can see on the chart, if we drop it over to a 4-hour, you can clearly see this dollar area is going to be pretty hard resistance for us. Let's try to get back above that dollar resistance, support, support. Flipped it into resistance right there. Beautiful. Love it. Looks fantastic. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Can we expect that? I think so. I really do think we're going to be getting back above. It's not a matter of if, it is a matter of when Ripple's going to be getting back above. I want to see Ripple get back above $1.15, $1.20. That's going to be the range that I'm going to be looking for Ripple. And then that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to be taking off after that. Are we still bullish on Ripple? Yeah, look at the trend. Why wouldn't you be bullish about this? This is constant uptrend, right? Low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It's just up, 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 up. Is this the bottom over here? Probably. Yeah, probably. Not looking too bad right now. Let's look at short-term price action. What's going to be happening? Pull out a Fibonacci retracement. Let's see what's going to be going down. You can see clearly the three. Actually, let's get rid of this line. It's a little messy right there. Why is the dotted line on? I don't like the dotted line. Hold on. Where's that dotted line thing? No, I don't want that. There we go. Okay. I don't know why that turned on by itself, but you can see the 236 support over here, support back here. It was support right here. Then we dropped back down below it, retried holding it, couldn't hold it, came right back down. Now we're right back above it, forming some kind of consolidation pattern. If you go drop it down to an hour, you can clearly see the price action is starting to shift out. We're starting to move back up as whatever little triangle pattern that it's in right now is coming back down and touching that 20-week EMA. I am expecting for Ripple to go back up and hit that $1.15. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. $1.15 is going to be the 382 in the Fibonacci retracement. It is coinciding with that 200 EMA on the daily right here. I know it's a lot, throwing a lot at you. Hold on. No. I'm sorry. The 21 EMA on the daily. Yep. Right there. Right up there. So looking pretty good, looking bullish. A lot of things are looking bullish right now. Like I said, we have to wait for Bitcoin to see what's going to be happening with it. As you know, we just need to continue to keep going up. So be looking out for, okay, areas that you do not want to drop below on Ripple. 87 cents. That's going to be very important, guys. Very important level for Ripple. Do not drop below 84 cents. 74 cents. And let's stay above the 96 cents as you're trying to break through $1 right now. You're above that dollar. You need to stay above it. Have conviction. Come back, get that retest, and let's lift off after that. So let's try to hold up those areas. Remember, those supports over there, you already know, $1.15, gonna start feeling really good about Ripple if it can do that. If Ripple can get back up to $1.46, that's it. We're gonna be taking off. We're gonna be going much higher. You're probably gonna be taking a look at $2.32 Ripple, 250, 277. Guys, it's just a matter of time before this happens. It's just a matter of time before we finish this consolidation. We start moving back to the upside. There's no question about it. That's it. That's it. Okay, let's move on. We have XVS. Guys, if you're in here and you are new, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Are you enjoying this content? I hope you are. And if you are, hit the subscribe button or at least consider it. You know, it's up to you guys. I appreciate it. Okay, moving on. XVS. Let's see what's going on over here. This one was called, what did this guy call this? This was hold on, there was Ripple, and then, oh, that's right. He wanted to do Bonfire, but we're going to be doing this one now. Okay. So let's do the one calculated by TradingView, one of my favorites. Get some water over here. Let's talk to the crowd for a little bit. Carl R, what's up, dude? How you doing? Happy Memorial Day. You too, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you for coming by. Could we take a look at vid today on KuCoin? Pretty please. For you, Carl? Yes, I will do that for you. I will do that for you, Carl. Because you are such a huge supporter, and thank you so much. I appreciate you. So, yeah, so you know what, we'll do that for you, buddy. I'll add bits to that. Okay, let's see. Can you do Bonfire, Martin? Wait wait a minute. I thought we just, oh wait, never mind. These are old messages. Okay, catching up on the messages here. That's right. Love the energy. Take a look at Trias, please. Let's see. Joseph Leland, bearish cross on 21 and 200 SMA on Bitcoin Daily. Are you still only 30% more on the downside? Yeah, pretty much. Perspective is different. You know, traders see different things. From the indicators that I use, it's looking pretty good to me, man. It doesn't look too bad right now. And I'm thinking, look at that. We're at $37,000 right now on Bitcoin. Whatever consolidation this is going to be putting in, just real quick on Bitcoin, guys. You know, we're just going to have to wait, see more data. What's going to be happening? Here's the 4-hour. We're approaching this apex of this triangle over here, dude, and it looks like, you know, we're coming up to that resistance. I'm thinking we're probably going to be having a breakout, which is going to be putting us up to about, and let's see, options literally just expired not too long ago, Friday actually, and the price didn't drop, which is amazing to me. I was expecting the price to drop, so I'm thinking, you know, if we break out of this triangle, we could probably see a $50,000 Bitcoin again. Well, what kind of structure is that going to be putting us with a Fibonacci? Where does that $50,000 Bitcoin put us on a Fibonacci? That puts us back into the 618, dude. Right there, 618 to 786. This is the zone over here. If we can retrace back up to that area, dude, we're going to be looking pretty good. Now, yeah, I mean, some indicators are bearish, right? There's obviously some indicators that I've seen that are pretty bearish. The pi cycle, your death cross with your 21 and 200 smooth moving average. You know, yeah, there are some of the things, but you have to take these things with a grain of salt. Not all of these indicators are going to be the indication that we're going to be moving to the downside. You have to use a combination of them that work pretty well together. So, you know, am I worried about it? No, not really, dude. I'm not really worried about it. In the long term, I'm bullish. Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're totally right. That cross could totally take us down, which is why I'm still saying that 30%. It's a pretty high percentage, man, for a drop. Like that's pretty high. So anything could happen. Anything could happen with that. So let's move back down. Let's see Leland. Let's see Joseph. I'm not Leland, but yes, I think another dip. Ashton says thank you, you're welcome. David Collins says thanks, bro, appreciate your knowledge. You're welcome, I appreciate you. Morphine is in Arabic. I don't speak Arabic, sorry. David Collins is the book is worth it. It's great, easy read. Yes, I did it on that. I did it like that on purpose, guys. Remember, This is open source. This is a collaboration of open source information. Okay. I didn't come up with this stuff. Okay. Some other guys wrote these indicators. I didn't come up with the TA. I'm just teaching it. These guys are the real masterminds behind how to do TA. And really all it does is it just gives you an edge in the market. This isn't set in stone. The only reason why I do TA is so that I have a better edge within the market. I increase my chances of winning by checking out TA. That's the only reason why we do it. Is it a guarantee? No, it's not a guarantee, but it gives us a little bit of a depth of knowledge and information of knowing, hey, we've done this in the past, and it doesn't have to repeat itself, but it's probably going to rhyme. And I've been successful off of it. It's not the end all be all. There's other things to take account for, but for me, it's all about the TA. Hey, Martin, never mind. Bonfire, I wanted to. Okay, yeah, we got that. Catching up on notes here, guys. Michael, so should I wait to exit at $2? Dude, I would wait to exit probably a little bit longer, man. If I were you, I'd wait for this bull run to be over before you sell anything. Buy the dips and accumulate. Wait for the bull run to be over, then sell. Which we're going to be tracking that, guys. I'm telling you, I'm going to be here. And when we start approaching that area where the bull market's going to be over, you'll know. I'll be here, and you'll actually know way early, because we're not going to be selling on the way down. We're going to be selling on the way up. And some of you are going to be like, oh my God, it's still going up and you're selling. What are you doing? That's exactly what we want to do. I want to get out within 25% of the top. If I can do that, I'm a god. And it's going to be amazing. No one can do that. Alec Hughes says best I bit my tongue. Ow. Alex Hughes says best TAs on YouTube. Hey, simple, clear, cut and dry. It's all data. That's all it is. Thank you. Appreciate that. Hi, morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Grab your coffee. Brett says, any chance you could take a look at Trias? Brett, read the description down below and we can totally do that for you, bud. Really appreciate you coming by. We got Gringo. What about ICP? Oh my God, dude. I am such a huge fan of ICP. It's one of those projects that is just, it's pretty amazing. If you understand the MA of it, right? It's been in development for a long time, but if you understand the MA of ICP and what they're wanting to do and what kind of, it's programmable money, and the infrastructure of it, you guys have to go check it out. It's listed on Coinbase, so very easy to buy, very super. Let's be honest, all crypto is easy to buy if you know what you're doing, right? But that's one of those coins that's kind of like GRT, where you get in early and you leave it and you hold it and you just kind of forget about it because the technology isn't here yet. This is so like the what do they call it? The future thinking of what these tokens are going to be taking care of our problems is just insane. You have these crazy people who've come up with these ideas, these problems that we're going to have in the future, and they're trying to solve them now, which is amazing to me. Any chance you could? Oh yeah, we read that. Never mind. Do you ever invert the chart to get a different perspective? Yes, Butler. I do actually do that all the time, dude. Over here, like I take a look at, okay, if I'm looking at something like this, I do like to get the different perspective. When I see, this over here, when I'm inversing the chart, it looks pretty bad, right? Looks pretty bad, but okay, let me show you something. I'm going to show you something. Let's go back 2017, right? Let's go back. Let's go to okay. Where was that? Yeah, look at this. Okay. So, if you're looking at this, from this perspective, oh, you can't see it right there. Dang it. Okay, let me move it up. If you're looking at it from this perspective over here, this is an inverted chart of Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin's going down. What's up, Henry Holland? Hello, welcome. Thank you for the 15, bro. Really appreciate you. EGLD, I got you, bro. I got you. EGLD, dude. Thank you for the 15. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, man. If I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart right here, what do I see? Well, I see a bottom and I see reversal. I see a trend breaking right back here. To me, that looks good. That looks good. But if you were to flip it upside down and you were to look at it like that, it looks bad, right? Looks really bad. It doesn't look good. Looks like, we've broken a trend. Obviously, that trend was that reversal that we saw before. And come on. Boom, right there. That looks pretty bad. And then what happened? Well, you guys know what happened. We went through a bear market right back over here. But if we were to take an example like back here, let's go like right there. Okay. Let's go right there. We invert the chart right there. And so from this perspective, this looks good, right? This looks pretty good. You can see, let's see, where are the trends? It's so hard to like do a TA on upside down trends and stuff like that. I'm sorry. No, this looks bad. This looks bad. It doesn't look good. Obviously, because you had your support, you're in a downtrend and you're going down, right? Doesn't look too good, but you flip it upside down and that looks pretty good. Well, what happened after that? I know you're looking over here and you're like, wow, the price is, can you see that? The price is all the way down there. Kind of looks like a similar situation that we're in right now, right? Where we kind of curved out and we're going back down. But look at that. Look what happened afterwards. Is this a normal correction within the bull market? Yeah. Yeah, this is 2017, guys. This is just one of the pullbacks that happened in 2017, right? So we went from looking pretty bad, right? Where it looked like we broke some trends. We were below the 200 EMA and we were going down and we were even below the 21 EMA. And then, you see what I'm saying? You see that? And then look, it happened again right there, right here. Same thing, rounded out, went below the 21 EMA and the 200 EMA. And then right back up. Okay, look what we're doing right now. Look what we're doing right now. Let me just show you that example that we were just looking at. And then look at Bitcoin right now. Okay, here we are. Here's Bitcoin going up, going up, going up. Okay, there's a lot of crap on here. Get rid of everything. Okay, and that's where we are right now, right? Look pretty familiar? Does it look pretty familiar, right? We're going up, we're going above, we're rounding out, we're going below the 200 EMA and the 21 EMA. And what's going to happen after this? What's going to happen after this? Look, it's already starting to play out. It's already starting to play out. Look at that. Look at that. What's going to happen over here, guys? What do you think is going to happen over here? I think we're going to do the same thing that we have been doing. And we're going to continue to move back up. Okay. Just wanted to show you that perspective as well. Okay. So, but I totally understand what you're saying about the inverse and getting a different perspective. Good tip. Thank you for sharing that. Let's see. Moving on. I want to read a few more comments and then we are going to go to the TA. I just want to make sure we include everybody. ETH, let's go. Can you do Harmony 1? Thanks. Yeah, dude, Troy, we could definitely do that. Read the description down below. Look, if you're new and you're coming into this live stream, you just joined right now, welcome. Thank you. If you want to see a TA on a coin of your choice, it's a $10 minimum donation. I know a lot of you are like, whoa, dude, $10, but really, dude, $10 is nothing, right? The only reason why I'm doing that is because I can't just sit here and do it for free. I just can't. Okay. TA to me is easy. It's simple. I understand it. I trade on it. I make money off of it. You want to make money off of it too? Let me give you your trade setups. You'll see. Ask all these other people. People wouldn't be making donations right now if they weren't making benefits or getting benefits out of these TAs or knowing where to take their positions because they know they're going to be making money and they know I have a perspective, I'm thinking this is what they're thinking. They have a perspective of, what's going to be going on, but they kind of want that confirmation. They kind of want that experience of someone who's been in the markets for a very long time, who's been doing this for a long time and have seen this over and over and over. And they just want a little bit of that extra peace of mind. If you want that peace of mind, donate $10 down below. Do it. Contribute $10. Do it in the form of a super chat or a super sticker, or you can use the OneUp coin link down below. Make a contribution for $10. I will do any coin that you want to. It'll pop up on the screen and everybody will get to see it. It's good. It's good for everybody. Why wouldn't you want it?
Oh, baby, a triple.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know it kept going on after that. Okay, let's move on. What we're going to be taking a look at, SVX. Is that what we were looking at before? Let's go back. SVX. Okay. Did I do a TA of this already? I don't think I have. No. I definitely have that. I don't remember this at all. Okay. Here is SVX. This is what we're looking at right now, below the 20 or the 200 moving average, even below the 21 moving average right now. Let's see. This was a pretty crucial level for SVX to be staying above. Sacre bleu. I always hit the space bar when that happens. Martin, what's up, dude? Thank you for the extra 50 Norwegian, man. I really appreciate that. Really coming in with the clutch today, man. Thank you so much. Let's see. Martin says, now I want bonfire again. I got you, dude. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I think you've added up to at least 2 TAs here for sure. Bonfire, adding it to the list right now. I got you. Thank you. Why do I spell that weird? Cool. Thank you. Thank you so much. Just keep coming back. 5 p.m. Oh, did we just? No. Wait. Did we? No. One more hour. Yeah. ANKR. Dude, ANKR is one that I definitely want to take a look at. A lot of people request that over here, but look over here, SVX right now. You can see very clear trend line that we were holding up back over here. Beautiful. You broke through it. You came back for the retest and you were using it for a retest for quite some time. What were you doing at that time? Well, you were consolidating. You had a huge run up and you consolidated, and that's what you were in as it was bouncing from resistance to supports. And we got boom, support, resistance, boom, you coiled up, you got to the apex, and boom, you got the breakout, came back for the retest, and then you started setting a different trend right there. What happened over here? Obviously, we know Bitcoin started going down. Where are we at right now? What's going on? Are we still bullish? Well, I mean, right now we're below that level that we really wanted to stay above and currently using it as resistance. Doesn't look too good to me. I don't like that. I want to see us get back above that $36 area. You're not too far. You're sitting at 32 right now. But you know, crypto has a way of recovering, and if you go look at past coins, you know, from years ago, especially these coins have been out for years, you know, you're gonna see these recoveries that happened within the crypto. We can go look at example. We can name any old coin. How about Litecoin? We can go take a look at Litecoin in a second. I'll show you where we've had these huge dips and we go below and it looks bearish, but then all indicators are thrown out the window when we start pumping and Bitcoin starts going back up. This coin's only been out since October of 2000. Not a lot of data, right? Really speculative. We don't really know exactly what this coin's going to be doing. So TA is a little harder with these coins that haven't even been out for a full year. So expect that when we do these TAs on these newer coins, take it with a grain of salt. Okay. There's not a lot of data for me to hold up support. The only data that I have to the left of me over here, is this. That's it. That's all I have. Is there anything else back here? No. The more data I have, the better of a TA I can give you guys, as those are going to be proven support and resistance lines. So I'm going to try to give you the best TA that I can get right now. You can see that we're using that trend line over here as support and resistance. And actually we can even go up right there. You can even drop it up or go up a little bit and get that support. So I want to see us get back above it. Now, the nice thing that I'm seeing with XVS right now, we made a low and we're making higher low, but look at the trend that we're on right now. That could be broken at any time. This is only a 4-hour chart, but we are, getting those bids where we just don't want to go any lower at that point. That's letting me know that we were oversold for quite some time. Go over to the daily and yeah, look at that. We went down and we touched the 30 on the RSI. Beautiful. It's exactly what you want to see. You hit the 30. That's a big buy area. We were below the 20. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Check out this negative momentum that's moving to the downside with the 20 or the 12 and 24 day moving average is about to get across right here. It's still consolidating. This is what it's telling me, that we're still consolidating within this part, obviously, because you can, let's see, drop it over down to an hour and you have something like this. Here's your consolidation. Looks kind of like, we'll put it right there, and we got another one. Here's another one right about there. So still consolidating, getting pretty tight over here. Remember guys, this is on an hour chart, so it's not going to be very valid, but getting a breakout to the upside for this chart would be really good. We could do like a small breakout target to see exactly where, not exactly, but kind of give us an idea of where that's going to be taking us. And let's say we get the breakout, well, that could be taking us up to about a $59-$60 XVS. It's very possible, as we were oversold on the daily, guys, really badly too. It had been a long time. Actually, you've never ever had hit these levels on the RSI previously in the past. Never. Right down there, hit the 30 on the RSI. Your stochastic was below the 20, and you're getting the cross at the 12 and 26 day moving average on your oscillators as your MACD. Negative momentum moving to the downside right there, guys. We're starting to shift out of it as we get this cross. We start moving over to the green on the histogram over here. What is that going to be looking like? What kind of move can we be seeing? Will that be going up to 60? Very possible. That is the breakout target if we do break out to the upside. So looking pretty good. I like it. This is actually looking not too bad initially. Okay. Initially, everything looks like it's set up. You need to get above $38. If you cannot get above $38, and you get rejected at that level, you're going to be going much lower, and you can just pretty much cut it off after that. So that is one thing that I will be looking for on this token before I would even take a position. I think if we can get above $38, get that confirmation and start lifting back up, that's where I would take my position right there. That's where I would take it. I wouldn't take it out of the breakout, out of the triangle over here. Over here, typically that's normally what I would do, but we have room that we need to break out of. There's still a lot of room that we need to get back above before I feel a little bit more bullish about this. Is it looking good? Yes, it's looking better, and it's looking a lot better. Do I think we're going to be going much higher? Yeah. Let's wait and see. Let's get that confirmation, break $38, and let's try to see if we can get that breakout target going up to $59.60. I think if that can happen, you can start feeling really good as you're going to be bouncing around in this area, possibly getting the breakout over here and going much higher after that. So am I super bullish about this? No, but it's looking good. I want to say it's looking better than what it was doing. Okay. But like I said, you got to get back above that. If you break down out of this, you're out. You want nothing to do with it. Get out, sell, take your losses, go move it into something else so you can make money off it. Other than that, not too bad. Not the best looking chart, right? I want to see what the growth has been over the years. Let's see. Okay, not too bad. Actually, it's pretty good performer. Almost 5,000% since the beginning of the year. Let me do that one more time. Let's say beginning of the year. Right there. Yeah, that's going to be about 5,000% from the top. Almost 4,700%. Not bad. Pretty good performer. We'll see. We have to wait and see. I'm going to set an alert on this one as well. Whoever requested this before in the past. Let's see. Who requested this one? Pretty sure. Wow, we got to move on. We have coins to do. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm going to set, I'm going to put it right here, a little bit below, put it at 56. Put an alert over here. I think once we get above that, that's probably where I'm going to be taking a position. Okay, let's move on. We've been taking quite a long time with this. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got it on Kraken, USD. I want to take a look at that one. I also want to take a look at, this isn't on Binance, really? Oh, interesting. A Binance listing on here would be amazing. Kraken, Bittrex, we got Polynex on here, Uniswap, wrapped in Ether. I'm comfortable with Kraken. Let's go look at their charts. Ugh. Is that it? No. Come on. Bro, I hope it's not. Don't do this to me. Don't give me charts like that. I can't do anything with this. Okay, that's better. I don't like the other chart. Polynex is way better. Okay, here it is. Yes. Oh yeah, that's what somebody was talking about this earlier. Ooh, that's really nice actually. That's actually really beautiful. What a beautiful area. Gosh. That was the buy area right there. Look how sparsely traded this thing was, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. A lot of choppiness within the market over here. And then when we started going up, the volume started picking up as well, right over here. And actually, I want to show you that. Let's go look at the volume. Look at that. Sparsely traded right down here. Look at the volume, right? Nothing. And then the price started moving up, a lot more volume. Getting really pretty popular. One of the biggest bars that we had seen volume wise in a while back over here, which is actually pretty exciting. Look at that. Look at the volume on that. Whoops. Sacre bleu. What's going on with my fingers, man? Okay. Get out of here. One of the highest bars that we had seen in a while. It posted it on the chart. Look at that. Right there. You hadn't seen any other green candles that went up and hit that far. That's good. That's showing a lot of volume within this area where it took that bounce. That's what people wanted to see. Okay, what are we doing? Where are we going? What's going on? You're consolidating. I can see that within the MACD. Look at that. Look at this, all this consolidation over here. That's a pretty big consolidation. Actually, it's been consolidating longer than what Bitcoin has been doing in its drop. And it actually didn't even take that huge. No, it did. Never mind. It took a pretty big drop. But look at the consolidation. It's beautiful. You can even see it on the Stochastic Rsi right here. Maybe a little bit down over here, but I mean, I'm seeing consolidation within both of these patterns over here. Okay, let's see. What is that going to be looking like? Well, you drop more than 50% of the way down, so it's not a bull flag. This is not a bull flag. Yeah, look at that 85% drop. Imagine buying at that top over there and just dropping 85%, nearly losing everything. And if you sold, then, you know, that's kind of your fault, right?
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
If you sell on a dip, I'm sorry. It's probably because you're new and you don't know any better. And don't do that. Don't do that. You'll learn. Trust me. You'll lose enough money to realize. Don't do that. You guys know. Buy, accumulate, hold. Buy, accumulate, hold. Okay. So, what does this pattern look like over here? What is this? It's obviously consolidating. Where's the breakout? The breakout is imminent. It's very soon. What is this? Is it a parallel channel? It might be a parallel channel. Let's look. Let's see. Okay. Get rid of everything. I actually want to get rid of the EMAs real quick so I can see what this looks like. Let's do parallel channel. We can take that from about here down to about let's take it from here. Let's play around. I want to see exactly where this is going to be going. Yeah, about right there. We can move that up, down. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right there. Okay, so you're definitely within a parallel channel. The last drop threw you out of the parallel channel, but then you broke back above. Look how you came back down and you retested that support, and you didn't catch it at a resistance, so that's pretty good. What I'm going to be looking for now is look how the price action was correlating with the heartline over here. It's really beautiful. You could see that it was support, you drop down below, resistance, support for a little bit, resistance, support for a little bit, resistance. You see that? Very beautiful. It wouldn't surprise me because you broke back up into the channel over here that you're going to be coming back above and probably going to be taking out this previous high that you had back here. I think this is going to be the beginning of a new trend. Yeah. It does look like that. I don't see, there was really nothing else in here up until this point right here that was telling me that you're putting in a new trend right now. That's actually really pretty. Very beautiful chart. Let's take a look right there. New trend that I'm going to be setting right there. You are consolidating. Here's the consolidation right there. Drop it down to a 4 hour to see exactly where that's going to be putting us at. So I'm thinking, okay, the daily chart looking really good. MACD, RSI, Stochastic Rsi, all looking really good right now. Let's take the breakout. Where's that going to be taking us? Let's put it at the apex. Okay. Well, that's going to be taking us above the heart line and then eventually going back up. And yeah, eventually, guys, this is going to be going back up and hitting the resistance within this parallel channel. But right here, what this is telling me, that's going to be the breakout target. $18.58 is going to be the breakout target of this pattern. It looks like we have put in a low and then a higher low, and we're changing that. You weren't able to do that back here. Starting from here down, nothing giving you that indication that we're going to be moving up, low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and then you had a little bit of a recovery right there, but then it broke down, not looking too good, lower low, and then now I'm having a lot of conviction, looking really good with the low and the higher low right there. Let's wait. Let's see what's happening. Okay, back over to the daily. Let's do a quick recap, see where we're going to be going. Still in the consolidation. We need to break back above that consolidation pattern. If it breaks out to the upside, we'll be taking us to an 18.58 RARI. And then, gosh, you just got to wait for that breakout. Okay. The indicators sometimes break out. I know they're lagging, but sometimes they break out a lot sooner than the price action. Watch for that, okay? Whoever requested this coin, I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure it was Martin. Was it Martin? Who wanted this coin? No, I'm sorry. It's David Collins. David, watch for this, David, okay? Watch for the breakout out of this consolidation pattern that you're having within the Stochastic Rsi, okay? Watch for that. Watch for the pattern over here. If you start breaking out and price action isn't reflecting it yet, buy. I've seen it so many times where the indicators start breaking out before price action, and then price action will end up following. It's like a leading indicator. It's powerful. It really is powerful. Be looking for that. If that happens, it's going to be looking pretty good. Okay, I like that. I like the lines. Okay, let's get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. And let's take a look at, we have our breakout target. I want to take a look at a Fibonacci. Recent swing high down to a swing low over here. That's beautiful because that will be taking you above that breakout target. If it unsues, we'll be taking you back above $17.17, which is going to be the 236 on the Fibonacci retracement. If you come up and you get rejected at that area, don't worry. We still have another area that we need to get through before we can even try to attempt to get up to the area. That's going to be $13.45. That's the next level of resistance. Okay. If this coin starts going above $13.45 and we start closing 4 hour candles, daily candles above that level, it's going to be looking pretty good. You can probably expect that we're going to be going straight up to an $18.58 RARI. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Rarible. So that's going to be looking really good. I think if you can catch that support at $17.17 over here, then your next level is going to be $23 after $23.28. These are just very, very clear resistances and supports for us, right here. Boom, all resistance right there. You can get back above this. over here, you're gonna be looking really good. Is this the bottom over here? I think so. And like I said, just, you know, based off the data over here, look what's happening with your strength on the RSI. You're starting to make higher lows. I know it's not much, but you're putting in work over here. Look at that right there. Drop this down a little bit. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Your strength is starting to gain and you're starting to shift that momentum. That absolute bottom happened right about here, right about when you hit the peak of that histogram, where you started shifting from that red to that light red, and then you had a bullish cross right there. Well, not too much of a bullish cross because you're still within a consolidation pattern, so it still needs to play out. It still needs to happen. It's a little bit early. A lot of things are on the verge. A lot of things are on the verge right now of wanting that breakout. You have to wait. I think at the very, very, very least, you need to get a breakout above. Yeah, that's about right. That's exactly what you want to get. You need to get a breakout above right about, yeah, $13.57. That's what I'm going to be looking for, dude, right here. You get above that, you're going to be looking pretty good, man. You're going to be looking pretty good. Close candles, get the retest and come back up. That's what I think is going to happen. I'm going to save that right there, and I'm going to be looking for, I'm going to set an alerts for, I want to get back above. So if we get that confirmation, I would be happy with hitting 16. I'm going to put it at $17. $17 is going to be imminent. Okay, there's my alert right there. That's my support. When I get these alerts like that, if you join the Telegram or the Discord, I'm going to put these in the Discord as the alerts go off and say, hey, you know, rare roll is going to be, you know, it just broke the resistance and we're going to be moving much higher. Okay, let's move on. We got a bunch of coins to do still. Carl wants to take a look at vid. Very short TA on vid. Just kind of an update what's going on. We were looking at this the other day. It was actually by accident, and we actually kind of found something that looks pretty good. Okay, here's the consolidation. Still in the consolidation right now, Carl, with vid. It was looking really good on the daily as we were having this negative momentum that was moving to the downside. But you're about to get your bullish cross over here, looking pretty good. Momentum starting to move back up, and you touch the 30, and you're getting the resumption back off. Like a lot of coins right now, it's looking pretty good. Areas on vid that you're going to want to look out for, guys, because this is going to be, I really do think vid is going to be one of those coins that you're going to want to get into. But we need to get back above, right, like that 60 cent area. Currently sitting at 50 cents, not too far away. If we can get above 60 cents, close those candles and start getting back above, guys, that's a buying opportunity. Huge buying opportunity on vid. It's VIDT. We're right here, right up here. If you're looking, it's, I can't do it on the camera, but it's right up here, right up here. Look at that ticker symbol, guys. I really do think we have found kind of some gold over here. Just watch out for this thing, dude. Watch out for this. I mean, from the bottom to the top over here, we've done 635%. Not the best performer, but still, if you were to break out above that 60 cent area and you start moving much higher, it's going to be beautiful. I mean, these are definitely some profits that you could be making over here. So not looking too bad right now. We are still consolidating, as everything is consolidating right now. Levels that you need to be looking for on vid initially. Right now, get above 50 cents, hold 50 cents, then get above 60 cents. That's going to be a huge area of resistance. Once you can get back above what was previously support, all back here, support, support, support. You can get back above, you turn that into support, wait for that confirmation, boom, it's going to be right there. Be looking for that 68, 70 cent area as you can try to get back above. Other than that, let's cut and dry. That's it. That's simple. Very simple. Just a very quick TA on vid for you, Carl. Yeah, we're still consolidating, brother. That's about it. That's about it. Look at the consolidation. Look at the volume picking up over here. Looking really good on the 4-hour chart. I'm thinking we're going to be having a breakout. Thinking we're going to be having a breakout to the upside. Man, that's a lot of lines. Let's get rid of all those. Let's see. Possibly, maybe, I don't know what the breakout target might be. Very possible. Asymmetrical triangle right there. Beautiful. Looking really good. Huge resistance and support. Look at that. Boom. We can even go back all the way over here. Support, 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 resistance, resistance, and approaching that apex is going to be right around this area. You're right in the middle, smack dab in the middle on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at it. Yep, consolidating. You can clearly see that within the histogram. Just kind of, woo, just kind of a nice waviness and right in the middle, sitting smack dab in the middle on the RSI. You're consolidating, still consolidating. So breakout target for that guy I'm going to be looking for is going to be about, let's say the breakout target happens right there. $1.06. Yeah, 100% gains right there all day. Make that money. Cha-ching. So, but yeah, I mean, really, you gotta wait for the confirmation. Okay, you gotta get the breakout, you gotta get the confirmation, you gotta get back up. That's what we're gonna be looking for right there. Initially, you need to get back above 60 cents. Get above 60 cents, my guy. And like we were talking about, it's gonna be looking really good for you. Okay, 50 cents, 60 cents. Get the breakout to the upside, going to $1.06. That's it, straight up. That is it, straight up, straight down. There's really no resistance, or actually, you do have one area of resistance right here that you're gonna be battling. It's gonna be 93 cents. Obviously, those traders are gonna be putting in those buy or those sell orders a little bit less than $1, right? They're not gonna put it exactly $1 because their orders aren't gonna get filled. So they put it at 93 cents, which is why you have that resistance slash support. You can clearly see support back there, resistance right there, support right there. That goes back all the way over here, guys. This is very simple stuff, very easy stuff that we're taking a look at, not looking too bad. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. Gonna be setting that, saving it. Let's move on. That's it. Straight up, that's it. EGLD. Let's see what we got. That's not it. EGLD. Okay. Let's see. EGLD. And it's been a minute. It's been a hot minute since I'm taking a look at this. Where's the one calculated by TradingView? Which one is mine? Let's take a look at all three. Yeah. Oh my god, it's been a minute. Look at that. Fibonacci's way off the charts. Way off the charts over here. Okay. Man, we almost hit our breakout target out of this back here. Look at that previous data that we had over here. We were within this triangle over here. We got the breakout confirmation, then we started taking off, and we were short. We were just short. 200 and we'll just say 250 is what we went up and we hit, and we were looking for a breakout target around 279. Not too bad, right? This, I mean, T8 isn't an exact science, but gosh, you know, we were pretty close. Pretty close. I think we're only off by like maybe 5-7% on that, so not too bad. Broke that trend line. We went straight down. Bitcoin started going down. Everything else started going down. Was at the bottom of there. Take a look at the daily. Take a look at the daily. Did we hit the 30? You sure did. You hit it really hard. Guys, that was the buy. This was the buy. That was the buy right there. That was the bottom up here. That bottom came all the way down to 64 bucks. It's at $103 right now. If you miss that opportunity, I'm sorry. But that's just the way it goes. That was the buy area. I'm still looking for a $333 EGLD. It's not if, it is when that is going to be happening. That's just what I personally believe is going to be taking off. It's not if, it is when that's going to be happening. Pretty good odds for that to be happening too.
I like those odds.
So this is old data. Get rid of this Fibonacci. All of this is old data actually. So I'm going to keep my 333 because that is going to be an area that we're going to be looking for. What do I see? Well, what's going on over here? On the daily, you definitely have hit a bottom. You definitely hit your bottom over here, which is going to be somewhere around that level right there. And let's take a look at a long term. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this touch. Look at these touches. This don't lie. This don't lie right there. Let's pull this down just a little bit. Right about there. There. Right about right there. It's very close. It's very close. Look right there. Anyways, you're coming back down. You're revisiting it. Beautiful. Great. Awesome. You're below the 21 and the 200-day moving average. Those are going to be areas that you're going to need to be getting back above if you want to start seeing further movement to the upside. The 21 EMA is acting as resistance right now. It's just a matter of time before you get back above that area. We are oversold, guys. We are oversold. EMA might look like that after we have a little bit more consolidation, but when we get that breakout is going to be taking us above the 21 EMA. Be looking for that $117 area, $120 area. Let's just say anywhere from 110 to 120 is going to be looking like gold. Get above it, turn those candles into supports, and then close those candles. 4-hour candles, daily candles. That's exactly what you're going to want to be seeing. As we get that test and we get that touch, that is when we're going to start seeing price action start moving up, and the 21 EMA will start to curve out as we start doing something like this. Why are you saying that, Leland? Why do you think the price is going to be going up? Guys, look, we're oversold. We were below the 20 EMA, and you know, it's beautiful. Look at this huge cross that we're about to get down here. That's a bullish cross. Have you done this in the past? Well, let's go see. No, you haven't. You literally have never been down here before on your oscillators. Your oscillators have never been down here. It's time. It's time to move right back up. We're not going to stay down here forever, guys. Like I said, what happened? What was the last time you hit the 30 on the daily? Okay, well, it was way back here. What happened when you hit that 30? Okay, let's just for the moment, let's get rid of the MACD and we're going to get rid of the Stochastic Rsi. Okay, what happened? every time you were below the 30 on the RSI on the daily, this is what happened on EGLD. Okay, below the 30 right here. Oh, hey, boom, that's where we were. Price action moving back up below the 30 on the RSI. Ooh, look what happened. We bottomed out right there. What happened? Moving to the upside. Well, it kind of looks like we're doing a little bit of a pattern over here, guys. Doesn't it look like that? You know, can you see the price going up and then it goes down and then we go up and then we go down and then we go up? Yeah, I think it's time. I mean, you can clearly see that. So below the 30 on the RSI, every time we've done it before, you know, we went up. So are we going to hit the $333 area? Yeah. Why wouldn't it not? You know, just based off the previous data and the trend that we're on right now, we were projected to be going much higher after that, guys. That's why I have these lines up here. $333, $700 EGLD. It's not so far-fetched, guys. By the end of the year, very possible for us to see. By probably September. Yeah, that's actually perfect timing. Right around here. Oops, where's my line? Right around September. I'm going to be guessing that we're going to be approaching at least $333 right there by September, possibly up to $700. Okay. Yeah. Wait for it. Watch it. You'll see. You guys will see that happen. It's just data. That's all it is. So that's it. That's all I got to show you. If I didn't convince you with just showing you that right there, I don't know what else to do for you guys, because that's cut and dry. That's very clear. So do with what you guys want. If you're long-term holders and you want to get into something like this, especially with a coin that has appreciated so much. Let's see, from last year up to here. Oh my God. Do you see that? 45,000%. Holy crap, dude. You imagine put $100 in that? $100. That's it. 1 year ago, $100 EGLD. When it was down here and it was, what was it down here? 60 cents, 52 cents. And now it's over $100. Got the moonshot. That's a moonshot right there. Is it done? Nope. It's not. You can still make money. Okay, moving on. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. We have our supports. We have our resistances. We know what we're looking for. Okay, moving on over to Bonfire, and then we're going to slow it down. We're approaching almost 2 hours here on the live stream. And my voice is starting to go for me. I can't talk that well anymore. Okay, Bonfire. What the heck? What's the ticker symbol for this? Oh, I put bone. I wrote Bonefire in here like an idiot. Oh my God. Here. What a dummy. Look, people want to see ANKR. People want to see it. They just want to see it. If we got it on GRT above $1.50, you recommend holding, or my loss and putting in somewhere else? No, I wouldn't be taking losses. If you're holding GRT right now, I don't recommend. Okay, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but if you're in losses right now on GRT, do not sell. It is just a matter. Look, I know you're scared and you think we're going to be going down lower. Hold, buy and hold, leave it. Don't touch it. That's where people start making mistakes when they're new into this stuff. Buy, hold, leave it. I know you're like, really? That's it? Yeah, dude, that's it. Buy, hold, leave it. That's all you got to do. I can't tell you, like, I've been holding forever and I'm still in profits. Yeah, we took a huge drop. I'm still up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of percents. So when we take that drop, I'm like, well, initially I only put in this amount and I'm still up 300, 400%. So not that bad, but I'm not done. I'm in the long-term game. That's what I'm looking for. You wanted to crypto grenade indicator. Yeah, I could be my own indicator, right? I mean, yeah, I mean, that's all I'm doing is I'm using a handful of indicators to determine what's going to be happening within the market. So that one turns into one indicator with a combination of all, but it takes a brain to figure that out. What am I looking up? Bonfire, right? Yeah. What's the ticker symbol for that? Hold on. Bonfire token. Bonfire. Oh. Bring it up. I don't have it. Wait a minute. Didn't we? No, I don't have anything on this. Who wanted this? Oh, it was Martin. Martin, sending the Norwegian. That's so cool. I want to go to Norway. Dude, you want to try to pick something else? I got nothing for you. Let me see like a market cap. A Bonfire real quick. Market cap. Bonfire market cap. Oh my god, this thing is so low. Super low. What's the market cap? No market cap? Wait a minute. When did this coin get released? Let's see. Fully diluted market cap, 130 million. That's it. Wow. Talk about moonshot coins right there. I don't think I have anything for you, dude, on this coin. I see the data over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's on a, when did it get released? When was ICO on this thing? This was, oh. I have a chart over here on TradingView that I can't see. It won't bring it up. Invalid symbol. Yeah, you can't even look at it on TradingView. All you can look is market cap, and then you can look at the price. And I'm looking at all of it. I'm looking year to date, looking at all of it. It's like super new. So I can't do it for you, buddy. Please choose something else, Martin. Give the people ANKR. Oh, what a gentleman. Everyone, give it up for Martin. Because I've been seeing a lot of people wanting to look at ANKR. And since we can't find it over here, this guy's got those new coins. This guy's, you could tell he's like a moonshot guy. He wants to see those moonshot. You got to do ANKR. And then that's going to be it, guys. We're going to take a look at this one, and then we're going to be done. And we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be doing another live TA tomorrow. Can I do it tomorrow? Oh, God. Wait a minute. I have an appointment. Crap. I have an appointment at 3:30. Dang it. I'm not going to be able to go live tomorrow. I actually have a few different appointments tomorrow. The next day, Wednesday, for sure. We'll go live. Okay, ANKR. Let's take a look at it. And then we're going to start wrapping up. Steph E always talks about ANKR. Always talks about it. Okay. Let's see. We're on the daily. Look at that resistance we're running into right here. Like I was telling, Steph E really loves this coin, as do a lot of other people. But ANKR really needs to get above 11 cents. Getting above 11 cents is going to be crucial for this coin. You can see all that resistance that we had back here. Let's see. Let's get rid of these lines. Old TA is no longer relevant whatsoever. Much larger consolidation pattern that we're putting in than what was reasonably expected before. Probably doing something like around there. There's our support line. And then, oh wow, it's much bigger than I thought. Much bigger. Okay, that's going to be taking us to, where's that? Where do I want to take that? There? You could. A little bit of false breakouts a couple times. That's okay. It's normal. That happens within the market. Right there. Wow, you're approaching the apex and you're actually hitting up against that resistance right now. Literally right now. That's a much bigger breakout target than we were looking originally before. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's say we get the breakout. ANKR. Yeah. Oh my God. That's literally going to be taking you up to the resistance of the much bigger picture that we have back here, right? Resistance, and then the breakout target literally is going up to that. Is it going to stop there? I don't think so. I think we're going to be breaking out of that resistance. Why do I say that? Because if we go over here and we take a look at the 12 and 26 day moving average, let's move this up a little bit. Let's get a little bit bigger. We had to mess with the charts a little bit later or earlier. Negative momentum moving to the upside. That's good. We found the bottom. Perfect. What's our strength doing right now? It's kind of plateaued, right? It's plateaued. We've kind of come down and hit this like 37 area, and it's kind of getting bored. It's getting oversold at that point, and we're wanting to jump right back up. Well, what's happening with the RSI, the Stochastic Rsi? You're in pattern. You're in a pattern on the Stochastic Rsi, and you're waiting to break out, just like with what you're doing over here. You're approaching the apex on the Stochastic Rsi, and you're approaching the apex on the price action, as well as the 12 and 26 day moving averages are about to cross. Your bullish cross is almost here. Price action will happen first. The next 24 hours for ANKR are going to be pretty impressive. I think I'm going to put an alert over here. Once we can get above 12 cents on ANKR, it's only a matter of time before you can get up to that 13, then that 15 cent area. We're at 10 cents right now, guys. That's a lot of percentages that could be made. I mean, we're talking 50% up into that area. Do I think that's going to happen? Yeah, I really do. Especially because on the daily, you came down and you got the bounce off of the 200 EMA. Look at that right there. Bounce off the 200 EMA. And, you know, you've shown that's been previously support and resistance for you in the past. Obviously, I mean, you can take it all the way back here to March of 2000, right? A year ago, resistance, resistance, resistance. Boom, you got above it. You confirmed it. When you confirmed it, whoo, boy, you took off. You took off. You came back. You tested it. Support, 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 support. And then you consolidated after this huge run up over here. Perfect. That's exactly what you should do. Huge run up, move to the side, move to the side, get comfortable at these levels, get ready for the next takeoff. That's exactly what you did. Holding the 21 EMA the entire time. What did we recently do? Where are the buy areas? At the 200 EMA, right there. 200 EMA, or smoothing moving average. That's the buy area. I think we're going to be going much higher, guys. I do think 9 cents is going to be an area that you want to stay above. If you do go below this level right here, 9 cents, and it starts going down, no good. Not going to be looking any good. You want to get back above 11 cents, turn that into support, come back, and then next area 12 cents, 12.5 cents, 13.5 cents, and then 15.8 is going to be the real test. I think the real test for us to be breaking out of this longer term, the longer term of the resistance levels, as we've had this huge run. What does this look familiar? This looks very familiar. I know it does, right? Huge run up, boom, consolidate, move to the side, hold these levels for quite some time. Get comfortable, move right back up. Where did we see that before? Where did you see that before? Back here, right here. Exactly. Huge run up, consolidate, move to the side, boom, move back up. Guys, it is only a matter of time. This is looking pretty good. This is pretty cut and dry. I already had my levels set out over here because it's a very popular coin that people like to ask for on this channel. Let's wait for it. Within the next 24 hours, watch this, okay? Get above 11 cents. I think if you can do that, you close candles and you can confirm it, it's going to be looking good. We have our supports. We have our resistances. We looked at our dailies. We know what's going to be happening. Consolidation. Strength building up down here at the 37 on RSI. Cross about to happen. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. A lot of things are looking pretty good. I know I sound like you're like, Leon, you sound like the same for everything. Well, it's true. I mean, everything just took a giant dip and now we're starting to move back up. Look at Bitcoin. On its bottom. Consolidation, gonna be moving to the upside. Went below the 30, great. Let's see. Took a bullish cross right there. Beautiful. We're already starting to see price action move up. Bitcoin's up 5% on the day already. We got 20 more minutes until your monthly candle closes. What do you think's gonna happen after this, guys? What do you think's gonna happen after that? Huh? Do you think we're gonna continue to go down and come down and touch the 21 EMA on the weekly? Possible. Okay, this is why I'm saying it's still possible for us to go back down and touch the 21 on the EMA. That's going to be putting us at about $25,000 Bitcoin, maybe slightly higher, maybe, but it'll definitely throw us into the 20s if we come back down and touch it. After that touch, if you're not buying at these levels, what are you doing in crypto? I don't know what you're doing. You better have a reserve. Have a reserve. Buy down here, whether it's in Bitcoin. Watch Bitcoin. Okay, watch Bitcoin. Have it come down here. Then whatever coin you want to go get, you go buy. You go buy when Bitcoin comes touch down here because it's going to be influencing the rest of the market. Look at Ethereum, 13%. Man, what would be crazy if Ethereum just said it closed an indecision candle, this Japanese candlestick pattern, and we go back above $2,800, which is not that far away, in 20 minutes. And if it did that, oh my God, could you imagine? It'd be crazy. But anyways, guys, that's about it for me. We've been live for about 2 hours. I really appreciate everyone who's come by. Thank you so much for all of your contributions and supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys. If you want to learn how to chart like me, go buy my book. Okay. It's $12.95. It's on Amazon. It's very cheap. Go read it. I promise you, you're going to make money. You're going to make money. Link is down below in the description. Join the Telegram, join the Discord if you guys want chat groups to go talk or just talk about pretty much any crypto. We're in there all the time, always asking questions. You come ask me questions directly. But @CryptoGrenade, ask me whatever question you want. My name is Leland. Thanks for coming by, guys. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
time. Bye, have a great time.